Hi everybody, welcome back to Angie's Answers. I wanted to come on quick and show you what I'm working on today. So I have this beautiful wool applique quilt with this back background, and I am using an 80/20 black batting too. But what I'm using more importantly is this Handi Quilter Micro foot. So this is what the micro foot looks like. There's no round piece on the bottom here, and what it does is it makes my life so much easier when I'm trying to get up next to these applique pieces. So I'm gonna do a little quilting and show you how awesome this is. See how close I can get right to that applique without my foot getting stuck or pushing anything around. I get to see my needle completely. This foot is just amazing for small quilting. So I'm just gonna meander my way around, get real close right up next to that applique. Work my way all the way up in there. Those real tight spaces, and I don't even get stuck. So I can't say enough about how amazing this foot is. Look at how close I can get inside of here, and I am not pushing anything around. Where if you had your traditional silver foot that came with the machine on, that would make it a lot more difficult to get all the way up into some of these tight spaces. So again, this is the micro foot from Handi Quilter. We have them in stock, and they're on our website, which is quiltingconnection.com. I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna quilt a little bit more and show you some more. I just love how beautiful this quilt turned out. Let me come in a little closer so you can see all that teeny tiny meandering. And without the help of the micro foot, I would not have been able to get into all of these little spaces. So again, if you have any questions, you can reach out to us at info@quiltingconnection.com. You can check out our website, quiltingconnection.com, or you can give us a call, 262-723-6775. And again, thank you so much for watching Angie's Answers, and have a great day.